So I've watched Harry Potter 4, which I think is the one called the Goblet of Fire, and yeah, it's picked up. Yeah, 2 and 3, I've got no idea why those exist, but Goblet of Fire was alright, although I have to say the first hour was a real struggle, dull as anything. So if they could have made it just the second hour, then I think it would have been better. So yeah, really liked it, enjoying the backstory as it develops. Just think Harry Potter 1 to 4 could have been just one movie, or even one book. That's probably going to be controversial. Just saying what I think. So off to number 5, and the Half-Blood Prince, which apparently is Mrs. G's favourite of the lot. So be interesting to see. Call me old-fashioned, but I like to see the tops of my mountains. Wow. That is spectacular. So here we are, parked on the side of a cliff. Waterfalls are about 500 metres back down this road. And I gotta say, that parking manoeuvre there leaves you right at a funny angle. That's scary. Be glad when we leave. There's our van as we walk down to the waterfalls, which are about where that black car is, just going past, so not too far. And then apparently it's about 300 metres up the path. But that, flipping heck, just when I think I know what I'm doing, I have to do that manoeuvre. So 300 metres along this path.
You've seen the path?
Yeah, I've seen the path.
It's not a path.
Fortunate. So I need to walk this rocky path with Sam yanking on my arm as ever. Sam, stop pulling. Come on, Sam. Days. Let's make sure up. Come on. I seem to have lost Mrs. G. There's Mum, Sam. There she is. She's still going. Amazing, Sam. Well done, bub. Good boy. Bit of mud on your fur, but for a designer doggy, you did well, didn't you? Oh, God. That is freezing. Well worth it. I wouldn't have gone much further because just the sheer scale of it. Wow. Yay! It's Friday! So there you have it. Wailing Widow Falls. I think given that it involved going up curvy mountain roads, up a mountain or alongside a mountain that I couldn't see the top of, did get a spectacular 6-car supercar show from the Benz, which was cool. Then parked up, and it felt like it was a bit precarious on the edge of a cliff. And then the walk with Samachu yanking the arm wherever he could along what could be at best be described as a slightly broken footpath. But was it worth it? Yeah, any day. is just spectacular. As Mrs. G just said, the motorhome's still there. Definition of courage. Continuing to walk even when you can't see the top of the mountain. I've noticed that, like all groups, there's a clear class system to this travelling life, and I think, you know, motorhomers maybe are at number one. Then you have converted vans and caravans, and I'm not sure what order those are in. And then obviously you've got the tenters, and when you're on the road, the camper vanners wave to each other, or the motorhomers wave to each other, but a motorhomer can't wave to a caravanner or converted van. Certainly I've tried to a couple of times, but there's been no waves back, so it's absolute definitive class system on the road. So there you go, that's my take.